What's going on, guys? So I want to show you guys how I made over $400 trading Meta options today. So I did take 10 contracts on Meta. That's my normal position sizing. I was actually on live on YouTube, not only for the Evolution Traders members that are a part of the community. What I recently started doing is doing a live webinar each and every single morning for all of the traders in Evolution Traders. And today I kind of rolled it out, free of charge, live in real time for everyone on YouTube. But going forward, it's going to just be limited to the traders in my room who I know who are active, right? I know are looking to actively take trades, looking to actively learn, get better, so forth and so forth. But again, so what I'm looking at here is Meta. Obviously in the after hours we had that big Nvidia pull, so it's going to pull everything up. I'm looking for a gap up tomorrow on Meta. I'm actually looking for the 302 area to get confirmed on Meta for another potential long. But what I was looking at here, very, very easy strategy that you guys can sort of use each and every single day. So what we're going to do here is we're going to put the 20 SMA on our chart, and we're also going to put this 200. I'm looking at the previous day's high, right? So that's what I'm always going to start off doing. What we're looking at here is the 1 hour time frame. I'm going to be looking at previous day's high, whatever's higher, whether it's the price action intraday or the pre-market high. You can see here I drew this supply zone box going across my screen. We can actually see the 1 hour 20 SMA kind of rising higher. So what I'm looking for in these particular situations doesn't require a lot of anxiety or a lot of happy trigger fingers right off the bell. We can actually sit on our hands and kind of let price action develop the first 30 minutes of the market open. And the reason being is because I want to get all of the buyers and sellers and all of the FOMO traders out of the way. What I want to see essentially is, where do we put in the high? Where does that correlate with yesterday's high or yesterday's low if there's a decline? And then from there at 7 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, which is when the second hour candle is going to start forming, and that's going to be this candle here, I want to see if we can confirm the highs of the first hour candle. Now in this particular situation, you can see that the first hour highs correlate with yesterday's high price here. So I already am going into this trade with the assumption that if we can confirm 30 minutes off the open, if we can take this price level out, I want to get long. I'm going to take contracts that are in the money or right at the money, wherever I can get the closest strike price to the actual price of the stock. That's what I'm going to take. My normal position sizing is going to be 10. And as soon as we confirm that, I'm going to go ahead and get long, which I did on this candle here. Now I held it for about an hour and 20 minutes, sold half size, and then held some runners. And then I got down, even on the live stream, you can kind of hear me go through my thought process on why I was holding still. But I held a couple of runners and was able to take, about 420, 440 off the trade. With that being said, I want to show you guys here the potential that was kind of put in here. So, that pivot point that I was looking for was realistically around 294. So as soon as that second hour candle confirmed 294, I want to go ahead and get long. Now, I'm already understanding that my potential was here. That's the declining 200 moving average. So I want to get in on the confirmation over the first hour's high, and then I want to let this candle close, and if we can continue to confirm that price action going higher, I want to sell on the next run up. Now again, I didn't sell all the way at the high of day. I'm not going to sit here and say that I top ticked this and absolutely knew that we were going to stop there. Of course not. As traders, we just have to do our due diligence, get in where we can fit in, and then if we can get that confirmation, get that run up, just sell on the next run up here. So if you really look at the price, if you're kind of wondering, well, how much did it really move? You look at a price between 294 all the way up into around 295.80s, 296. It's almost $1.50, $2 move in a matter of an hour's time, right? So anytime you can take, $1, $1.50, $2 off a stock like Meta, if you can take $1.50, $2 off stocks like Tesla and Nvidia, it's really, really good. If you're trading things like AMD, don't expect to get $2, $3 on those names. Things like Apple, things like PayPal and Square, things that are trading at around $100 or less than $100, look for 50 cents, look for 80 cents, look for $1. If you can get that, that's a home run trade. Same thing for you guys who are trading the SPY and trading the Qs. If you can get 50 cents, 80 cents, $1, on 5, 6, 7, 8 contracts, those contracts are going to move $300, $400, $500. Now, depending on, what your position sizing is, obviously you can play more and you would have made a lot more. For example, if I was playing 100 contracts, I would have made like $4,000. But the thing is that I want to be able to keep the lights on, right? I don't want to take a $4,000 loss because I'm trying to target $4,000 wins. I'd rather take 400 here, 300 here, 500 here, whenever I can, because the whole idea is that the market's not going anywhere. We're going to get setups each and every single day. Yeah, are some days going to be a little bit more tricky than the others, of course, just like anything in any type of market, any type of cycle. Of course, it's going to be a little bit more difficult on some days or some weeks. But again, the point I'm trying to make is that each and every single day, as long as we have a plan, as long as we execute, we follow our edge and protect our strategy and protect our mental equity, essentially, we can do this on a day in and day out basis. Now, again, if you guys are interested in kind of joining the Evolution Traders community, you're going to get access to all the courses. You're going to get access to the live trading floor. You're going to get access to the daily live streams where you can kind of tune in, whether you want to just listen to me, kind of commentate the market as I'm going through it, or you want to physically watch the screens. Again, the choice is yours. I'm doing daily watch list with pivot levels and potential areas for exits and entries. All of this stuff is being tied into one big package now. Before I used to have, things all kind of spread around. Everything is in a centralized location now. So whatever it is that you're looking for, if you're looking for psychology help, you can get it. If you're looking for strategy building help, you can get it. If you're looking for, a daily watch list to kind of correlate that with what you got going on, you can get it. If you're looking for a community of other traders who are trading, you can get it. If you're looking to listen to live trading, you can get it. So again, that link is going to be down in the description box below if you guys want to join. If not, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe on the video. It would truly help me out a lot. I appreciate you guys. Again, let's finish off the week very, very strong, and I'll see you guys all on the trading floor.